Hey everyone, welcome back to Road Zone Reviews. Today, we're doing something a little different. Instead of test driving a new EV or comparing luxury SUVs, we're stepping straight into the future and it's wearing a shiny exoskeleton. We're talking about Tesla's Optimus Gen 3 humanoid robot. And trust me, this isn't just a gadget to help fold laundry. It dances, yes, really, it dances. Not some clunky shuffle either. In Tesla's latest reveal, Optimus pulls off a full-on Trump-style dance, balancing confidently on one foot, swinging its hips and moving with a surprising rhythm that almost makes you forget you're watching a machine. What makes this so impressive? Well, first of all, it's not CGI. It's not a fancy render or some marketing trick edited in post-production. According to Elon Musk and Tesla engineers, what we're seeing is real-time dynamic balancing and live motion control, achieved by training the robot entirely in simulation and then transferring those skills directly into the real world. Forget thinking of Optimus as just a futuristic Roomba or a tech toy that folds shirts. The video shows it shifting its weight naturally, jumping slightly, and most impressively, standing still on one leg. In robotics, that balance and composure isn't just cosmetic. It's a sign of a massive leap forward in AI-driven motion planning and real-world adaptability. So what's actually under the hood? Tesla Optimus Gen 3 packs 40 custom-designed electric actuators distributed across its limbs and torso. These actuators allow each joint to respond instantly to data, providing smooth, human-like movement. Alongside them, a sophisticated array of sensors monitors balance and position in real time. Think of it like an athlete constantly making micro-adjustments to stay upright. If Optimus senses it's leaning too far, it shifts its center of gravity, adjusts torque, and keeps going. No need for someone behind the scenes controlling it. And yes, there is a cable attached in the demo. But Tesla engineers have clarified it's purely for safety, just in case the robot topples during testing. The cable actually hangs slack while the bot dances, proof that Optimus is moving under its own power. From prototype to production now, you might wonder, is this just another viral demo, or is Tesla actually building these things? Surprisingly, production has already started. Tesla's Fremont factory has begun assembling Optimus units, with plans to build over 1,000 robots by the end of this year. Elon Musk believes Optimus could sell for $20,000, $25,000, aiming to be as common in homes as the Model 3 is on highways. Imagine that, a humanoid robot in your house, ready to help, and it wouldn't even cost more than a mid-range SUV. For context, most current humanoid robots cost six figures or more and are strictly limited to research labs. Beyond dancing, what can Optimus do? Right now, Optimus can already walk, sort objects, and yes, dance, but the vision is bigger. Tesla wants Optimus to become your household companion, helping with chores like carrying groceries, folding laundry, reminding you to take medication, and offering gentle support if you're unsteady on your feet. Each robot is trained in Tesla's powerful Dojo supercomputer, which uses reinforcement learning to teach it real-world tasks. Over time, these bots should get smarter, safer, and more capable, just like Tesla's cars improve with over-the-air updates. Trust, safety, and privacy, of course. Letting a robot into your daily life raises big questions. Tesla says Optimus processes 90% of its data, and of this, meaning it doesn't constantly upload video or audio to the cloud. Personal logs and medication reminders are encrypted, and there's even a Medicare safe mode that slows the robot down and limits features unless you confirm them manually. Plus, there's a backup battery so it won't lose power and collapse mid-task, and torque sensors that detect anomalies and trigger a safe shutdown. If something goes wrong, Optimus won't panic, it'll simply freeze in place rather than jerk around or fall over. Production and scaling up. Tesla isn't just building a few units to show off. Their plan is ambitious: build thousands this year for internal use, launch external sales in late 2025 or early 2026. Scale production lines to eventually build 10,000 robots per month. If that happens, Optimus could transform from a high-tech curiosity into a real, affordable, tool for everyday life. Why does this matter? Think about it. The global economy relies heavily on human labor. If robots like Optimus can handle routine or physically demanding tasks, it could reshape industries from elder care to logistics, reduce workplace injuries, and free people to focus on creative or emotional work. Humans excel at. Elon Musk has said he imagines a world where robots multiply global economic output tenfold. That sounds futuristic, but seeing Optimus dance today makes it feel less like science fiction and more like an early preview. History and how we got here. It wasn't always this smooth. Early Tesla Optimus prototypes were limited to simple movements like waving or slow walking. In 2023, Optimus Gen 2 could do basic yoga poses and sort colored blocks. Still impressive, but limited now. Gen 3 shows dynamic, balanced motion in real time, learned entirely in simulation. Tesla's AI team has also improved the robot's reaction to disturbances, letting it keep balance if it's nudged or the floor is uneven. This isn't about flashy moves. It's proof that Tesla's simulation to reality pipeline works. That's huge in robotics, where most breakthroughs happen slowly. The big question, is it ready for homes? Optimus still has to prove itself in real households. Dancing in a controlled environment is one thing. Unloading a dishwasher or climbing stairs with a laundry basket is another. Tesla's roadmap is to roll out limited units first, gather real data and improve rapidly via updates. The same approach that turned Tesla cars into some of the world's smartest vehicles. So, what do you think? Could Optimus Gen 3 become a trusted companion, or will it stay a high-tech luxury toy? Would you be comfortable having a humanoid robot help around the house? And what tasks would you want Optimus to do first? Carrying groceries, cooking, folding laundry, supporting an elderly parent? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let's get the conversation started. Before you go, if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Road Zone Reviews. We don't just cover cars, we cover everything at the cutting edge of mobility, AI, and how technology is reshaping our lives. And remember, next time you see a robot dancing on your feed, it might not just be for show. It could be a glimpse into a future where robots really do become part of the family. Until next time, drive safe, stay curious, and maybe practice your dance moves because the robots are catching up.